How to verify your Meta Business Suite account. Verifying your Meta Business Suite account is essential for gaining access to advanced features and building trust with your audience. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to verify your Meta Business Suite account. The first thing to do is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account, and then once you've done that, move to the left side of the screen, and then you can use the search icon to search out for your security center, because that is where we have business today. So just wait for this to load, then just type out security center. All right, and wait for it to display. Okay, if you can't find it, just look for security instead. All right, and then click on the security center option being displayed. Then once it has been displayed, wait for it to load. And then on the security centers page, you can now see some instructions. All right, so you can see two-factor authentication, you can see admin. By the time you scroll down, you can see verification for your business page. And then if you are eligible for verification, this particular write-up would be eligible for verification, and then it will be in blue color. So once it's in blue color, just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to put in some details such as your business information, like your legal business name, phone number, website URL, and all of that. And then once you've done that, you'll be asked to confirm the details you submitted, and then just like that, the verification will take place. All right, so that is how it works. This is how you can verify your Meta Business Suite account, by moving through your security center. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.